I am a patient of Dr. Oren Lerman. I came to him when I had to have my implant replaced, and we had a conversation about what my options would be, and we opted to go a more radical route where we would do a DIEP Flap surgical procedure. In my first experience meeting Dr. Lerman, I was a little bit apprehensive because I didn't know what to expect. But as soon as I met him, I felt immediately comfortable with him, and the conversation that we had about my options for what I had come in for. The results is something that I never would have imagined, and it was almost like, why didn't I do this 14 years ago when I was diagnosed with breast cancer originally? Dr. Lerman has also recommended me to other patients to talk to them, to let them know about my personal experience and to help them along through their journey and to give them some advice about the direction that they could take and not to be afraid. He is just so meticulous, and his experience, I mean, just read his background. To me, that just spoke volumes. And also his aftercare, I think that's really important as well. You want to make sure that when you wake up from that surgery that you're feeling good and confident about yourself, and you want to make sure that the people who took care of you are truly going to be there for you at a drop of a hat, and he was there at every step of the way.